10 Pillars of Eating Clean. What you eat has the power to change your health and overall well-being for the better, or if your diet is filled with processed junk food, for the worse. Follow these 5 pillars of clean eating to adopt a healthy, well-balanced lifestyle and enjoy a positive relationship with food. Go whole. Eliminate processed and junk food from your diet and choose whole foods with every meal and snack. Whole food is unprocessed and eaten in its natural state. It is highly nutrient dense and should be the center of every meal. Too much or too little of anything is not healthy, even with foods that are good for you. Moderation is key. Keeping a food diary helps you be mindful of what types of food you usually eat. Then, after a week, you'll be able to recognize which foods keep you full longer and which foods spike up your blood sugar levels, leaving you sluggish and unable to focus. Think of food as nutrition. Looking at food as a way to fuel our bodies and minds, rather than as vessels of pleasure, will give you perspective for healthier eating and allow you to respect your body and therefore improve what you put into it. Stop counting calories because you are more than just a series of calories, nutritional values, or a number on a scale. Learn to value yourself and boost your self-esteem by establishing lasting and profound dietary habit changes. Love your fats. Fat is an essential macronutrient which we can't live without. The key is choosing the right fats in the right amounts. Whole foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil are all great fat choices. Say bye to diets and begin to enjoy a healthy lifestyle by being smart about the choices you make. Don't follow some fad diet for several weeks only to regain the weight you lost. Instead, choose to follow a clean eating lifestyle instead of another diet. Start each meal with foods lowest in calories, which will make you eat less of foods higher in calories. Salads, soups, and fruit are all good choices. Plan your plate with something from all major food groups, including fruit, grains, vegetables, and lean protein. A well-balanced lifestyle means eating from a variety of whole foods from each group. Be mindful of each bite. Eating in a rush usually means we end up eating far more than we should. So focus on your food, how it tastes, how it smells, and how it makes you feel. Enjoy it. Revel in healthy eating. Be aware of how good it feels to treat your body right and fill it only with real, whole, and highly nutritious food.